In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for interview. So first of all, just go and open your browser. Go to the URL section and just type Claude AI. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Make sure to click on the first link. So basically, this video will be about installing Claude, setting it up, and testing it before your interview to use it during the interview without any problems. So once you go here to this website, you'll find Gittit for Windows. If you have Mac, I guess, or Linux, you may find here Gittit for that OS or operating system. So for me, I'm just going to click on Gittit for that. And as you can see, I'll have to install it. Once the installation finished, once the download finished, I'll have to install it. Let me just wait for the download until it's finished. It should take 5 seconds. So once it's done, I'm just going to double click on that and then the installation should start with no problems. As you can see, it's installing. I'll just have to wait doing nothing for now. Keep in mind that Cluely is an AI assistant that can help you during your live calls by listening in real time, understanding what is being said and giving you some instant answers, notes, summaries, and even next steps. So here, once it is installed, as you can see, I'm just going to click on continue here. And once you click on continue, normally it should open a new tab with this, where you'll basically have to sign in. So here, choose to sign in using the normal way or Google or Apple, up to you. For me, I'm going to use Google. I'm going to use here my account, continue to log in very easily. So verify that you are not human, and here make sure to click on open Cluely. So once you did that, you should find yourself here. You can describe as an example what you are, so it can give you better responses and stuff like that during the interview. So I'm going to do that. So what industry you're in as an example. Let's just do for me, let's just do video editing. How did you hear about that? Let's just say YouTube for you. So here now ask Clude a question about the meeting. And as you can see, Clude listens to your meetings and transcribe everything in real time. You can click in here to continue, as you can see. Or you can skip this if you don't want to go through it. So as you can see here, what should I say next? And click here as example. It will tell you what to say and stuff like that. So this is how you basically going to use this inside the interview. Click here on continue, and here you can hide and show Cluely on the fly using control and backslash. As simple as that. So as you can see here, if I click on my keyboard control, it will show this is in blue. That means I'm clicking on that. The same will be for backslash. So make sure to click it together. Once you do that, as you can see, it hides. If you click it again, it will show again. That means you can show it if someone's example asks you to share your screen or something like that. So now click on complete. In here, you have to basically pay for a plan if you want to. So they have the Pro plan and Pro Plus indetectability. If you don't want as example, so it will be visible to screen share during meetings. So it will not be visible, it will be invisible even if you screen share it. And for the Pro plan, you will get unlimited AI responses, unlimited meetings, and access to the newest AI models. So priority chat support as well. If you don't want to go with the plan monthly or annually, whatever you want, you can go here at the bottom and click on starts with free. Once you click on it, the app should open right away. So here we are. So you can either choose to be indetectable or detectable. As you can see, if I click on indetectable, it stops showing from my screen. But because I am screen recording my screen, that's why it stops showing for you. But for me, inside my screen, I still can see it. But if I click on it, you'll be able to see it even if I am screen sharing. So screen sharing is like screen recording, which as I'm doing right now. And as you can see, if I enable that option, it's not shown. Even if I'm sharing my whole screen, I'm not sharing one tab. You'll have to keep that in mind. So here you can start your first session. As you can see, Cluely provides live AI help during your conversation and generates searchable summaries afterwards. Here you can even link your calendar to get notifications for upcoming meetings. If you want to, you can click on link your calendar as an example, and this will open, as an example, this tab. You'll have to log in into your account. And for me, I just got this error because I copied the link from my other browser, which is my main browser, it's fine for you. It will just tell you if you are okay with connecting it with calendar, of course, Google Calendar. You can just go and click yes, I'm okay, and then click on open. And as you can see, you'll find here if you have any meetings or no upcoming meetings. So for the free plan, as you can see, you have 3 free meetings. If you want to get more, you'll need to get a plan. You'll get unlimited. So if you're just renting it out for one meeting, one interview, you can stay on free. So here, as an example, just go and click on Start Cluely. Let's just go and start it. And as you can see, here we are. First, keep in mind the shortcut to hide it is Control and backslash. If you want to quickly hide it, or if you somehow forgot, you just want to click right away, you can click on the hide, as you can see at the top here. So now if you click on this icon on the left, this active session will show, and it will show you, as example, the amount recording. You can stop the recording. You can click on transcribe to transcribe basically what I am saying. So here, once I stop talking, example, for a bit, it will basically tell you here what I said. As you can see, it's transcribing. So what I said is the last thing I said. And of course, it doesn't record only my voice, it records also the voice of the other person. So here you will find transcription of everything. Here you will find the usage, as example, and here you'll find the summary about what you are talking about with the interviewer. So these 3 tabs are necessary. As example, after the meetings or after the interview, if you just want a quick summary about what you talked about. And also, this AI chat model will basically based on itself on the basically chats right here. So here you have, as you can see, 4 options on the menu. You have assist, you have what should I say, follow-up question, and recap. So this normally will help you during the interview. Here you can click on assist, and it will help assisting you, as example, during your interview. As an example, here's helping me recording the video. So as you can see here, so the AI chat is based on the live transcribe and context or context of the conversation. You have 4 main options: assist, what you should say, follow-up questions, and recaps. They are especially useful during the interview because they help you answer in real time and suggest some good follow-ups questions and quickly summarize what have been discussed. So as you can see, this is assist. If I click on what should I say, it will basically ask the AI what should I say, and it will tell you what to say. So this is the main real-time help feature. It listens to the conversation, understand the context, and give you useful suggestions while the interview is happening. You have follow-up questions, like what should you ask? And as you can see, what would you like to show me how the what should I say feature works in life example. So basically it's helping me now record and help you even more to know how to use Cluely. And of course you have here the recap, and it will show you the recap of the whole conversation. So you just explained that the what should I say feature gives live response suggestions based on the conversation context, mentions follow-up questions, and started transitioning into a live example showing how Cluely is helping you record and demonstrate the products. So basically this is how Cluely works. You can, if you finish, stop the recording and pause it. You'll have to keep in mind that you don't have any restrictions on time, but you'll have restrictions on how many times you can use it for the free plan. I'm talking about the free plan only. So as you can see, I have only 2 meetings left if I am on the free plan. And of course, everything that happened during the interview, you'll find it right here, always. If you go to Cluely, you can just go and click on it. You'll be able to see the summary, the transcribe of everything, and also the usage, like what you used, what you asked, what the answer was. And you can even resume the session if you want to. Like you paused for 5 minutes, like, I don't know, bathroom break or something like that. And that's about Cluely. So just some useful things before getting into the interview. Make sure to prepare clearly for the interview. So before the interview, prepare some information about yourself. For example, your name, your experience, your skills, the job role, the company name, projects you worked on, common interview questions, and your strongest achievements and your weakest or areas example you are improving. You can basically paste some of these informations into Cluely or use it while asking Cluely questions. For example, you can ask them, help me answer, tell me about yourself. I'm applying for a customer support role and I have experience with communication, problem solving, and remote work. Normally, this gives Cluely more context, so the answer sounds more relevant to the interviewer. If you ask a generic question or a very generic question, you unusual like gets a generic answer. So basically, that's how you use Cluely. You will get to it basically by using it more. If you're on the free plan, I would suggest you not to use it. And if the interviewer asks you to share your screen, keep in mind to use this detect option. So the basically Cluely tab will disappear at all. And yeah, that's basically for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.